Okay, guys, so I've been wanting some breakfast, and it's actually dinner time. It is officially 6:50, I think. I'm gonna make some dinner. We're gonna have pancakes with syrup. I'm also gonna make some hash browns. If y'all have not tried these hash browns, when I say they are so good, so good. Bacon, some eggs, um, and that's it. I wish I had some champagne and some orange juice because I would love a mimosa, but I don't have that. So let's go ahead and get it started. I'm gonna get finished. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna let you guys see it. Let me know. Comment below. Have you ever had breakfast for dinner? I wanted to show you a quick and easy way to make bacon. I just bought me some Smithfield bacon. Smithfield, you can get whatever brand you want. Cut it in half, like cut it in half, cut the whole package in half, and put them in the oven. You can either use Pam or you can just not use Pam at all. Put them in the oven and lay them just like this. So cut in half. And if you want, I'm going to go ahead and add some brown sugar to some of them. You don't have to add it all, but try it. I'm telling you, the next time you try some bacon, do that. Put it on 400 in the oven. Let it cook for maybe between 17 to 16 to 20 minutes, depending on the bacon. And then make sure you turn it. And you'll have the best bacon ever. And thank me later. You make them because you're not sure how it's gonna taste. Quick tip: only put it on half. See what you like about it, and I'm telling you, next time you will try it again. Okay, it's looking good too, y'all. Guys, this is done. Look how pretty it looks. The other one need a little bit more time, so always check it. All right. Guys, it is done, and what you're gonna do is get a plate, put some paper towels on it, drain it, I'm telling you, it's so good. Huh? Have some. Now just lay the bacon on the paper towel, let the grease drain, and go ahead and eat it. That's how simple it is. And you don't got to worry about getting burnt like you would if you was doing it over the stove or anything else. Okay? This video, if you try this technique, please let me know below. Come back to this post, and let me know below. Okay? So good. Tastes so good.
Chocolate, that greasy cut.